Hello and welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find low competition niches without having to use any keyword tool. So I'm going to show you some easy ways you can go around that. So one way you can find these niches is by using ClickBank. And if you go to ClickBank, they have this drop down menu here. So you can just click on this and you scroll through to look through and see if any of these niches make sense to you or it's something that you would be interested in. So as seen on TV, I'm sure there are no products in there, but you can go ahead, look through and see if you'd be interested in backyard living or anything, kitchen tools and gadgets. Go through and see if you'll be hyped or it may pique your attention. So this is one way of finding these niches. And one thing I like about this is that you can even find mm, affiliate products to promote in these niches. So if I click on gardening and horticulture, we can see that there are these products here. They may not have a lot of gravity because they don't show up onto the first page of the ClickBank marketplace for affiliates to promote them. But these are good products, and you can go ahead and join now. So you can see the bonsai tree care system, and I'll be making a video to follow up with this one. So all you need to do is to just leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So you can see grape growing is a good one, and I will promote that book. Then you have mushroom growing. So you can see these are good niches and you wouldn't think about them if you just go ahead and hit this magnifying button here, which will sort the products here by popularity, and these are the most popular products which are being promoted via paid ads. So if you're enjoying this content so far, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on to let YouTube's algorithm know that we are relevant and fast becoming one of your favorite channels to watch before heading on down there to leave a comment in the comment section. This helps us because YouTube has been hiding our content as of lately, and you'll also stay updated with all our future uploads. That is one way to go ahead and find little tiny niches that you can't find easily with Google or these random YouTube videos you find on YouTube. So one thing you should know that this method works very well because you know that there is a product to promote, and that means there is interest. I don't mind about the gravity of the people who are promoting the product, because for me I only mind about myself. I want to get people to buy the product and make it work. I don't mind about whether people are pushing many people. So products like these are promoted by paid ads, native ads, and I wouldn't recommend you going for these because they're going to be hard to rank for. So you can see there's even a sewing one. So if you're interested into sewing, you can head in here and see if there are products to promote. So there's no results here, but you can find sewing products on ShareASale and those other affiliate networks. You don't have to use ClickBank. So if you can't access ClickBank, another way you can find these niches, you can head over to Quora and you click on here where it says spaces. So in the top left menu, you can see here it says discover space, and I will zoom in for you so that you see. So we hit on that, it will open up. So you see all these spaces here. Blogging is competitive, so I'll stay away from that unless you know how to build backlinks. International travel, I'll stay away from that. It's not a good niche as per now. And visiting, no. Actors and actresses, no. I wouldn't like that because it doesn't have evergreen content. Marketing, competitive. Visiting and travel, competitive. Movies is a good one. You can go for that. Maybe you can do movie reviews and something like that. Then you monetize the website with ads. And you can see here there's this one, Excel hacks, which is something I wouldn't have thought about. And there are many Excel blogs that are out there on Google and making a killing. And if you go over to ClickBank, let me show you what I mean here. So if we go it over here and we type in Excel, you'll see that there are products about Excel. So you can see this one. I know it's in French. There's one about Excel. Oh, okay, here it is. Scheduler 123, Excel best production scheduling system. So you can promote this product here. Of course, you do the due diligence of checking out their sales page. So this is a good one. You can go for it. It is not a scamming product. It's not spam. It is teaching people how to use Excel, and Excel is a very good program by Google, so you can go ahead and promote this. So it's a good one, and you can see that there is interest here, because there are 41,000 people who are interested in Excel, and each and every day people are sharing content in here. It is an active community, and you can promote your blog articles in here as well to get that initial boost of traffic. So that's one way to find those niches. So this is a very good niche, and there is products to promote like this one here. So all you just need to do is just grab your affiliate link, put it in the article, and you're good to go. Another way you can find these niches, and once again, you don't need to have a website. I'm just giving you examples of how to find niches for a YouTube channel, for a blog, for social media. It doesn't matter. This will work depending on the traffic source you're going for. So another way to do this is using Reddit. So is can scroll through here, and right here where it says home, hit on home, and you can see all these communities here, and these are based on depending on niches. But another way to find that is you can hit on top communities here. It's gonna rank them according to the top communities that are getting the most engagements and number of members at the moment. So you can scroll through here and see if there's something that makes sense to you, and you could go ahead and start a website, start a YouTube channel, and see if you can grow that way. So that's what. So wedding shaming, I don't know what that is, but it looks like there's interest here. Musicians, um so many niches here. Food, funny and sad, Apple. So you go, soccer is a good one, but you will have to narrow it down, and you can see the community is engaging. There's over 600 people online and 49 members. So it's a good community. It's a good, but you have to go to niche down furthermore to get the best out of this niche. So that's one way to find niches. And the last one, which I will, oh sorry, the second last one, which I would recommend is you can head over to Wikipedia, Google, type in Wikipedia list of niches, and you can see there's all these list of niches here. You can scroll through and see if there's a niche that makes sense to you. You can just scroll through and see if you're interested in confectionery, that's baking or something like that, clothes making. Chess is a good one, and it's a low competitive niche, and you can start this karate, karaoke, juggling, all these good soap making. I wouldn't have thought of soap making if you were just getting started. Then Sudoku, which is a game, so storytelling. Look at all these amazing niches here. Web tuning. I don't know even what that is. Then there's word searches. Oh my god, there's amazing niches here that you couldn't have thought of if you're just getting started. So that's one, this is the best way you can even find niches. And the last one that I would recommend is as a bonus, it's just a bonus. You can head over to Google and type in Mediavine income report, so you can go ahead and see which people are making money with Mediavine ads, and you can go and find out which niche they're in. So you can see I found this one. It's Clady G October 2020 income report. So this is a blog, and I read through this report. It's amazing. I don't know how old this blog is, but I think it has been around for some time. So she breaks down everything for you. You can see the proof of income via Amazon Associates, which I don't recommend. Very, very low commissions. And if you're just getting started, ClickBank is better. You just have to find a good niche that whereby you don't rely on Amazon Associates. So they have low commissions. Then she tells you she promotes Bluehost right here, and I think this is a affiliate link. So it's an affiliate link. You can see in the top left bottom corner there. Then she shows you followers. So I think most of our traffic comes from Pinterest, and that's why she's getting approved for Mediavine. And she tells you, she breaks down how the total page views is 100,000 page views for the month of October. So you can see the income she generated in October. Only email list subscribers, Pinterest followers. You can follow on Pinterest to see which kind of pins she posts, and you can also model the same for your blog. So those are some easy ways you can find niches. If you like the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That is one of the best content creators on the platform, and I'll see you guys in the next video.